If you are searching for templates, you want to really narrow it down. So let's say that you come in here and you want a Facebook post plus motivation. I can't type anymore. I've been typing too long today. I only got the ones that are also misspelled. Motivation. There we go. Spelling counts. Okay, so then I find a bunch of templates that fit that particular thing. So the way I did it, it's using not a true Boolean search. It doesn't use and or and those typical Boolean searches. But what you can do is use the plus or the minus. So let's do something else. Let's do um, Facebook post plus summer. Let's do another one, invitations minus birthday. Now I'm going to look through these. They are not coming up with specific birthday ones. There may be a few sneaking in here, depending how they're listed. But this is giving me other kind of events. Let's do invitation plus bridal. So hopefully that helps. And anytime you want to clear one of these, you just hit the clear there and you're back to your starting point. There are other ways to go about it. You can jump in straight to topics like social media. You can get into categories of social media. Let's go to LinkedIn. Okay. So these will be sized and hopefully most appropriate for that. You're also going to have search areas for the style if you want more professional or simple. Let's try simple. Let's try modern. Okay, so we're getting just different. Again, look for the X to clear the filters and just start over. With many of my classes, I find out what people are doing, what kind of work they do, and I might say safety poster. Okay. I might say safety poster plus fire. So the more you can type into your search, it's looking for tags and keywords. And then also, when you do pick one of the designs, it's going to see kind of what you were interested, and you can scroll down. It's going to have more that are similar to that. So keep shopping until you find the one you want. And lastly, these are made by different creators. So if you really liked somebody's creations, you could go see what else they've done if they have anything in that same vibe, and you can choose to follow them to see more of what they create and put out. Hope that helps. Have a great day.